Introducing Gembot AI Assistant, your ultimate tool to get work done faster and easier. Gembot AI Assistant is designed to simplify everyday tasks, whether it's opening apps, creating documents, or browsing YouTube. Imagine launching Word, Excel, and your browser with just a click, streamlining your workflow effortlessly. This tool turns complex actions into simple tasks, from managing files to drafting reports or enjoying a quick video break. It's all about saving time and boosting productivity so you can focus on what truly matters. With complete voice control, you can start apps, navigate your browser, or even create documents, all hands-free. Simply say, "Open Chrome and go to YouTube," and you're connected instantly. For visually impaired users, Gembot AI Assistant offers full voice control, making tasks like opening apps, managing files, and browsing the web easier than ever. It's designed to enhance independence and streamline digital interactions for everyone. Let's start with our demonstration. First, let's generate Python code for the Fibonacci series and execute it. Watch as Gembot instantly writes and runs the code, giving you results in real time. Next, we'll create a Word document containing a review of the movie Jumanji. Gembot automates the writing and formatting, generating a polished document ready for review. Now let's generate a PowerPoint presentation on wildlife. Gembot organizes content into slides, complete with titles and bullet points, making your presentations quick and effortless. Finally, let's install Notepad++. With a single command, Gembot handles the entire installation process, setting up the application in seconds. Now, let's start with the voice-based demonstration.
Gemini, I am blind.
Blind mode activated. All future prompts and responses will be read aloud.
Gemini,
Heard, Gemini. Listening for command.
start PowerPoint.
You said, start PowerPoint. Response, I've started PowerPoint.exe for you.
Gemini,
Heard, Gemini. Listening for command.
open Amazon.com in Chrome.
You said, open Amazon.com in Chrome. Response, I've opened Amazon.com in Google Chrome for you.
Thank you for your attention.